Hello everyone, quick unboxing video. This is from Marty Youngbear, some Knife River Flint. Let's see what we have. I've never had any of this stuff. I'm excited. I've seen Patrick work it and other people, but wow. Man, it kind of looks black on the camera, but that's more like a dark cocoa chocolate color. Man, that is cool. Another piece of it there too. Man, it's on the heavy side. Just feeling that versus other picking up rocks. It's heavy. It's dense. Definitely dense. Almost like petrified wood. Got another one here. Oh yeah. That looks like it's been chipped on a little bit. Man, this is nice. I also rock tumble, so anything I mess up or if it's got any kind of issues from weather related cracks or whatever, they won't be wasted. I'll tumble it. Ooh, that's cool. Really, the cortex isn't very thick. Man, that's beautiful stuff. Probably a little bit of an issue in there. Yeah, that is nice. Got more. And he went out and collected this himself. Gathered it. It's amazing what's on the inside. Doesn't look like anything on the outside, but boy, it sure is beautiful inside. Alright, see what else we got. Nice. Very nice packaging. Nice padding. You know how that post office is. Wow. Man, definitely nice arrowhead sizes. I didn't finish on this one. Ooh. Wow. There's a crystal pocket in that one. Let's see if I can get it to do the shimmer. Yeah, I see the speckles in the camera. Man, that is cool. I always pick a rock or two not to mess with, just to have a specimen. This one might be it. This one's contender for sure. That's wild. That's over time there was a void somewhere in that rock and the old minerals got in there. That is sweet. All right, what else we got? Oh, I like that. Man, that looks so cool right under. If you get a little bit of cortex left on that. Man, that is nice. Man, they're perfect size. How long? That one's almost about 4. It's hard to tell. Camera does it, but a little under 4. Definitely about an inch or so thick. This one, about 4.5. Plenty big. Man, these are nice. Ooh, I like when they're in that shape. I already got to start. Man, that is so cool. Wow. Some of it might be a little darker than the other. I don't know. It might be just the Man, that's cool. I know it's translucent. I know that. Watching Patrick's videos. Let's see here. Let's take a little. I don't want to go that way. Man, that's some tough stuff. Oh yeah. That's a nice flake. Oh, did you see that? Right there? Little crystal pocket. Oh, there it is. Oh, this is cool. Dang, I love it. Alright. Let's see what else. I'm in my baseball card room. I'm not gonna spall a bunch of it. Ooh, I like that. Whoa! Let me get this one. That is cool. Let me see what I wrote about. Look at that. Chalcedony nodule. Oh, that is awesome. That is cool. This one's definitely not getting messed with. Yeah, that is awesome. I know you guys can see the sparkles in there. That is sweet. That's the, I would say, I'm not an expert, but that's in the middle of being chert. That's like the middle stages. Beginning stages would be the whatever mineral is solidifying. But yeah, that is cool. It's almost like a cortex on there. That is sweet. I like that. I'll definitely put these two over here. Let's see what else we got. Oh, yeah. Man, these... Man, that sounds so good. I gotta take a little piece off of one of these. I want to see this color here. Oh, oh gosh, that's sweet. Slick as butter. Look at that. That's nice material. It's translucent. You ain't gonna be able to see it. You see a little. There's your translucency. There you go. Man, that is awesome. Here's a little piece. Now, I've never worked it, so I'm gonna have to be careful. Yeah, these are... What I like about all these so far is I've seen spots where I would automatically start at. There's nothing that's super crazy. Ooh, I like that. That's been worked on, look like. Ooh, there's another little crystal pocket. That is cool. I like that. Ooh, what's that? Yep. I think that's a fossil indentation. Maybe a mollusk. It's not going to focus right there. I can see the shell lines. That's pretty cool. Ooh, this is nice. Oh, man, it really has some cool color when it gets up towards the cortex. It's like a little bit of the cortex got included in there. That's nice. Man, this is awesome. I really appreciate this, Marty. This beautiful material. See what I can do with it if I get time. Most of my time I've been making tools, which I'm happy. Ooh, This one definitely has some translucency to it. There you go. Ooh, yeah. That is sweet. Wow, that's a big one. Ooh. Looks like a cast for a foot. That is cool. Well, I'd say, let's see, Patrick, you see about 2 whacks. Get that thing off there. That is nice. There's definitely a biface in there. You got a little scoopy in there, but you just take back this. About a quarter. Wallop that off. That is nice. I like it. Matter of fact, I just cleaned up the my napping room. I should say grow room / napping room, but cleaned it all up today. Organized. Man, that is, Mother Nature is cool. She can make some really neat patterns, designs, shapes. Man, that's awesome. We're almost done. A little more. It's a big old box. I can't believe it. Not a rip or tear or nothing. He put duct tape around the perimeter. Oops, that helped. Oh, that's a big old. This is another one of them clearer ones. Cool stuff in there. Another little one. That's nice. Two more. Oh yeah. Yeah, some of this is just a lot darker color than the other. Some of it's a little lighter. But man, it's dense. I'm trying to think of the material I've worked that is heavy. I can't think of it. Some kind of jasper. But there's a name for it. Man, this is nice. It's definitely going to be translucent. Man, there's a bunch of material here. If I'm not good after the 3rd rock, then, or get used to it, I better give it up. Oh yeah, these are nice. That's beautiful. That's translucent too. Well, we'll see what I can do with it. Marty, I appreciate this a lot. This is awesome. Man, that stuff's beautiful material. Oopsie. Man. Look at that. Oh yeah. Knife River Flint. That is awesome. Oh, look at the translucency on the edges. I can't wait to make something. Marty, I really appreciate it. And I'll see you on the live stream. I'm recording this video before Patrick's live stream. So I'll see you all over there. Take it easy.